Nyanya, can you show mommy where's the horse? Where's the horse? Which one? Yay! You wanna put the horse here? Okay, where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Big, big. Yay! Baba, black sheep, heavy any wool. Where's the cow? Moo. Moo. Yes! Moo. Where's the dog? Up, up. Yay! Okay, where's the rooster? Rooster. Which one is the rooster? Where's the rooster? Yeah, clever girl. What about the hen? And what about the hen? Yes, that's Baba, black sheep, heavy animal. Where's the duck? Quack, 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 quack. Where? Where's the duck? That's the hen. Where's the duck? There.